Cold sweats aren't just nerves. They're your body's emergency alarm. Let's decode this icy panic attack. When stress or danger hits, adrenaline floods your system, redirecting blood to your core and leaving skin clammy. It's evolution's way of screaming, run or fight, but also chill. Fun fact, night sweats are often blamed on nightmares, but they can signal everything from infections to hormones gone rogue. Thanks cryptic biology. The plot twist, cold sweats helped ancestors evade predators. Now they just ruin job interviews and first dates. Pro tip, breathe deeply to calm your nervous system, or blame your DNA's outdated survival code. Comment the word sweat if cold sweats have sabotaged you. Follow for more body betrayals.